is a Friday morning. It's very early in the morning. I'm just getting ready because I'm teaching today. I have a supply teaching job at a primary school, so I've just had my morning coffee. I'm gonna get ready now and I'm watching Gilmore Girls. I think in the last vlog I was like, oh, I'm just watching it as background noise, but now I'm actually obsessed. I don't know how a show so boring can be so entertaining. All they do is drink coffee and walk around their little town, and I love it. It's such a comfort show. If you haven't watched it already, I definitely recommend it. I've got Mario hooked as well. But yeah, I'll get ready and then show you my little teacher outfit. Got sent some Ren skincare and I really like the bag it came in. So it's my new little makeup bag and I just throw this in my teacher bag. A very quick what's in my teacher bag. I am supplied, so I really don't need to take much. I am going to take my planner just because I want to plan out next week. I have loads of collabs coming up, so I just want to make sure I'm really organized and on time for all those deadlines, and I have a few video ideas that I want to jot down as well. I have this little makeup bag that I showed you, and in here I'm going to put some Tic Tacs, my inhaler, tissue, and this little perfume that I always take with me. This is just like a Victoria's Secret perfume, and a bubble as well. And then I take 2 pens. Again, I really don't need to take pens. There's always pens at school. And then my very dirty wallet. If anyone knows how I can clean this, please let me know, because it's just gotten to a horrible state. I just haven't taken very good care of it, so that's my fault. And then the bag that I'm always wearing, I got it from a charity shop, so I'm really sorry, I don't know where it's from, but tote bags are super in fashion, so I'm sure you can find something similar. And here is my very casual outfit. I'm just wearing this cardigan that I got from Primark. I showed it in my last autumn vlog. And then these work pants, which are from Misguided. So yeah, not very exciting at all. But yeah, I'm gonna get going. I want to have a bit more extra time to go to the school. I'm on my lunch now, so I'm just eating lunch in my car. My class is so cute. They're a year 1 and 2 class, so it's mixed. But the children are so sweet. And then I've got 2 TAs as well, which is always nice when you have an extra TA. They've kind of been like guiding me through the day. I was really nervous because it's like my first day back into a classroom in such a long time. It's going fine. I feel like once you get into the groove of it, it just kind of all comes back, like behavior management and stuff like that. We started the day with PE, which is always great. She was like, oh, they're gonna do some football today. In my head I was preparing myself to teach football, but a problem happened, like they didn't have the balls, so we just did running activities. I literally played bulldog and Tiggy Scarecrow with them. I was like, I don't know what else to do, so I was like, who knows how to play Tiggy Scarecrow? Obviously stuff doesn't always go according to plan, but it's fine, just freestyle it. And then we did maths, so they had a maths test, and then they had RE. We made a new, it's a Catholic school, so we made a new morning prayer, so we talked about prayer, who we say it to. Then they had break time, I was on break duty, and then we came back in, we did phonics and like spelling tests, and now we are on lunch. And when we get back, they're having their first ever science lesson. I'm gonna eat my sandwich. This is really gross, I could not be bothered to make a sandwich, so I'm having a chocolate sandwich, like literally Nutella. It literally looks like I stole a child's lunch. Anyway, I'm gonna eat my sandwich now. Hi guys, so it is a Saturday today. I have quite a busy weekend. I'm not vlogging much of it. I'm actually going to a gender reveal party today, and you have to wear pink or blue depending on what gender you think the baby is gonna be, so I'm excited for that. Never been to like a gender reveal or baby shower or anything like that. I filmed an autumn and winter haul and I'm so excited for you guys to watch it. I'm taking my makeup off now because I want to shower before I go out today, but I thought we could clean my room together, and I want to get my room ready for autumn as well. I said in my last vlog that I was going to start putting up decorations and stuff, so I thought we could do that today. Yeah, I'm going to show you the mess in my bedroom now, because it gets really crazy when I film a haul, because I just throw clothes everywhere. And then also I was filming a TikTok for Reebok. I'm working with Reebok guys on TikTok. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. Literally all yesterday I was just shocked, like I am working for Reebok. That is so cool. Anyway, it was like a styling video, so I was putting on outfits for that as well. I was throwing those clothes everywhere, so it's a tip. I will show you now. So as you can see, there's just clothes everywhere. My windowsill in particular is quite a state. So yeah, let's do a little speed clean and we can get back on track for the day. And you guys definitely don't need a little montage of me cleaning my bed for the millionth time, so I'll do a little transition. a few days later now, and I stopped vlogging on that day that I said I was going to the baby shower because I was running really late and I just wanted to get ready. But I said that day that I was going to put my autumn decor up in my room, and as you can see, I haven't done that. I started my day by going swimming. This is the second time I've been this week, and honestly I haven't swum regularly since January, February time, and I was really nervous to get back into it because obviously swimming, you need a lot of stamina, and I haven't really been working out all too much, so I was a bit nervous to go back. Yeah, I was like, you know what, just book it because otherwise you're never gonna do it. I booked it, so I went yesterday, I went today, and I loved it. Honestly, I love swimming. It's my favorite exercise. I'm not really into regularly working out and stuff. I wish I was that type of person, like someone who just goes to the gym all the time. I really wish I was like that. Once I'm in a routine, I'm really good at it, but it's not like a lifestyle for me. I know some people like just gym is their life. Does this make sense? Like I know people who working out is just part of their lifestyle. Do you know what I mean? I don't know if I'm making sense. I'm trying to go down that route. Anyway, I'm going again on Friday, but I'm actually going with my friends, so that should be fun. Yeah, I'm really proud of myself for just getting back into it. So yeah, after that I came home, took a shower. My hair's like, I let my hair air dry, and I'm just having a cozy little day. I spent the rest of the day editing my haul, which is up, and I made a really cute thumbnail, and I tried to do something different with the intro, so go check out that haul. I really like the video. I don't know why, it's just a basic haul, but I liked how it turned out. Let me guys know what you guys prefer. Do you like longer videos, like 40-minute videos, or shorter ones, maybe like 10 to 15 minutes? Because I might start just making my vlogs 10 to 15 minutes, because then I can have more regular uploads, if that makes sense. I was waiting on a HelloFresh delivery. It was meant to come today. Well, it is coming today, it's just coming later than I expected, and I was gonna cook dinner for my family, and I'm actually working with them over on Instagram, so I was gonna film all the content for Instagram as well. But that's what I was meant to be doing today, and then I got a text saying that the parcel's gonna come at like 4. I don't want to film at 4 because I want the lighting to be good. So I was like, what can I make then? Because obviously I was in charge of dinner, and I'm just gonna do a basic jacket potato for everyone. My family loves jacket potato. What's like your go-to dinner when you just can't be bothered to cook or you didn't have time to? Does every family have like, I feel like every family has a certain dish that they just whip out, like comfort food. I feel like it's comfort food. I think we'll start with decorating my room. Yeah, let's decorate. I'm so excited. I've been so in the autumnal mood. It just makes me so happy, so let's go on with that. I was watching Gilmore Girls on my phone, so I'll just keep that on in the background. Anyway, it's raining right now, so it's like perfect. The vibes are great. I want to switch out my clothing rail as well, so I can do that. That took me so long, but I finally got these little bauble lights off. I got these from Amazon ages ago. I will link them below, but I love having them on all year round because they're like neutral. And time for our leaf garland. Okay, so this is the leaf garland I was talking about. I actually love this. I got it last year and it's such good quality. You can't, obviously you know it's fake, but it doesn't look cheap. Like the leaves aren't plasticky, they're actual fabric. So I actually think this will be a really cute classroom decoration, or like, I don't know, if you have a coffee shop. Oh my gosh, if anyone owns a coffee shop, please let me know. I think that's like my life goal. Anyway, or like a cute little coffee shop slash bookstore, or even a florist. But yeah, I don't know. Isn't that like every girl's dream? I feel like that's a very popular fantasy for girls. Anyway, if you guys do buy this and decorate your headboard or any bits of your room or classroom, please DM me on Instagram. I would love to see that. I know my little sister bought one of these because I had it in my room last year and she really liked it. I'm actually going to show you hers because she got the ones with fairy lights like intertwined in them, and it's so cute. But yeah, if you do buy these, please let me know. I would love to see a picture. If you get anything like autumnal for your room, just DM me. I would love to see that. Anyway, I'm going to put these, kind of like wire them around my headboard. How adorable does that look? My bed was from IKEA. I got it a very long time ago. Then I think it was around 60 to 80 pounds, which for a bed like this kind of bed that looks vintage, I I feel like that was a really good price. I'm sure they still sell it. I'm going to introduce some colour and put like some orange pillows out. And my last step for the bed, I'm going to change this grey throw. This is what I have all year round. I got it from Dunelm. It's such a good throw. It fully covers my whole bed, like it drops to the floor, and that's exactly what I was looking for. But I'm going to swap that over for this little one. I just thought this one was so fun. I got it from Primark. I am such a little perfectionist when it comes to like room decor. I love decorating, so this is really fun for me, and you probably think I sound crazy. Hey guys, so it's Friday today. Today we are going to do some HelloFresh cooking. This collab is for Instagram, so it's not for YouTube, but I've used HelloFresh before and I absolutely love using it. Go downstairs, set all that up, and then film what I need to say. I was just going through the brief to see what I need to say. One of the recipes, I actually get to make a dinner and a dessert, but for the dessert, it's like chocolate pots, so I need those little ceramic dishes. You guys know what I mean, right? So I need to go to Asda and pick them up because we don't have any. I'm gonna go film the first few bits of the content and then I'll deal with the dessert dishes later. So we're gonna do that. We need a trip to Asda, and then I need to do some H&M returns because I think today is the last day, and then I'm uploading the autumn winter haul today. Oh yeah, I'm going swimming. I completely forgot about that. Anyway, I'm going to swimming at 8, but I'll take you guys along with me whatever I'm doing. Okay, so I've got my HelloFresh box here and I just finished filming all my story content. I edited it all and sent it off to my manager, but today I am going to make the herb crusted salmon fillet. I'm so excited. I love tender stem broccoli and I've never made salmon before, so interested to see how this goes. And then for dessert we'll have coconut chocolate pots, and these were the ceramic dishes that I was talking about. I think I'm gonna prep the dauphinoise. I'm not gonna put them in the oven, but I'm gonna prep it all and then I will go to the shop. Just prepped the dauphinoise potatoes and I'm gonna go to Asda now. I'm just gonna put some cling film over this, and when I come back from Asda I'm gonna do actual salmon and then the tender stem. Okay, little update. I just did my H&M returns and I'm at the Asda now. I was gonna get one of those Starbucks pumpkin drinks and do a taste test, and then I could like drink it whilst I was shopping, but I completely forgot. It's right next to Asda though, so I guess I'll do it after. They have a Harry Potter mug here. I really want it. So this is what the chocolate pots look like in the cute little ceramic pots that I got. I'm gonna put these in the fridge. They need to set for like 3 hours, and then yeah, we can enjoy them for dessert. I also need to fry these pistachios and flaked almonds, and they're gonna like kind of go at the top, and it should be really nice. Okay, so both the potatoes and the salmon are in the oven. Just ignore the mess behind me, but I've taken my makeup off now and I'm ready to go swimming. I've got all my stuff in my little tote from Primark and I'm really excited. I'm going with Kinza. Should be really fun, and I will talk to you guys another day. actually sure the last time I vlogged. I don't even know what is in this vlog or how much footage I have. I think this will be the last day I vlog though. But today I woke up really early. I did a 30-minute run on the treadmill, had a body shower, and then did my makeup. Yeah, I'm getting really hungry. I want to have lunch. I went grocery shopping I took my grandma grocery shopping yesterday. I bought these like vegetable, I think they're called gyozas. Sorry if I said that wrong. Basically they had like a yo sushi section in the freezer section. I think we were in Iceland and they had those vegetable gyozas and they looked really good, so I'm gonna try and make those. I also have tender stem broccoli that's going out of date. It's really random lunch. Let's go make that. If you're wondering why there's loads of clothes in the background, it's because I'm actually filming loads of outfit reels today and I'm just setting everything up. I also need to give back some returns. I'm going to like this all girls Arab wedding. I've never been to one before, so I don't have like fancy dresses and stuff, so I ordered loads just to like try stuff on. I'm really excited. I've never been to an Arab wedding before. I'm actually going to two this year, so that's exciting. Obviously I'm not going to vlog it because it's all girls, but yeah, so I have loads of like dresses to return, and then I think I am going to edit this vlog at the end of the day. I do want to bulk film outfit videos, so I have a few. So it's actually October in a few days and I'm so excited. It's literally my favorite month out of the year. Is it weird to have a favorite month? It's not even like my birthday month or anything. I just love October. Also really excited for November. Basically I live in Manchester and they do a firework display every year in this park, and me and my friends have been going for like the last few years, but in COVID and last year they cancelled it, so I really hope they have it this year. I know, first world problems, so I really hope they have the firework display in that park that we go to this year. Let's go make some food for myself because I'm hungry. This is the little box I was talking about. Okay, this is my very random lunch. So I've got the little gyozas, put some soy sauce in here. These are the little pots that I got the other day. And then the tender stem that was going off, I just did it with garlic and chili flakes. And then even more random, I'm having green tea. I can feel myself getting ill, and this is really good because I put a lot of honey in it. Just finished filming 2 outfit reels, so I'm really excited for you guys to watch them. I think I'm gonna post them over on TikTok and Instagram, so make sure you go follow me there. Okay guys, I have cleaned my room now and I'm gonna go give my packages back.